before I do my presentation, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Zafar Rizky. I am a student first semester in University Bina Sarana Informatika, and I want to explain two part from what I'm tell. The first part, I want to explain my opinion in Indonesia versus Bahrain football match in 10 October. And second part, I want to tell about simple present continuous tense, and that part I'm gonna explain and enjoy this presentation and video. Okay, first of all, I want to explain about my opinion of Indonesian and Bahrain football match in 10 October. The national Indonesia team started their work in the third round impressive. The Garuda squad successfully picked up 2 points, the result of 2 draws against strong Asian teams, namely Saudi Arabia and Australia. Now, the Indonesian national team will play two away match, seeing and the troop of coach Indonesian Garuda national team, Sintayong, had to visit Bahrain headquarters before continuing their visit to China. The Bahrain national football team also refused to play a World Cup qualifying match in Indonesia in order to protect their safety of the team. Bahrain footballs were the targets of death threats from a number of team players last week. The Bahrain Indonesian netizen following the controversial 2-2 draw in their football match when the two team played last week in 10 October, and the Bahrain Football Association (BFA) has claimed the second match is scheduled to take place in Jakarta in March 2025. However, the BFA has asked FIFA to move the match to a neutral venue outside Indonesia. Neither Indonesia Football Association (PSSI) or FIFA not have comment. And my opinion about this Indonesia and Bahrain no want to play in Indonesia ground because they have an controversy in Indonesian netizen because 2 versus 2. After this, I want to take a proof and wait. After this, I want to show you the head my analyze the wait okay, my hypothesis first, and second my head record about Indonesia and Bahrain, and third I want to show you approve about match in Indonesia and Bahrain in with picture proof. And after this, I want to show you the second part of my present continuous tense, and see you in second part. Hello everyone, and this is second part of my before video, and I want to show you what is present continuous tense. And that's my name, and this is my letters. Okay, let's go to the next part. This is what I'm gonna explain to you guys. The first of all is understanding present continuous tense, and second, present continuous tense formula, third, present continuous tense function, and fourth, example of conversation text. Okay, let's move on. Okay, first of all, we have to understand what is present continuous tense. And wait a minute. Okay. Present continuous tense is a front of tense that refers to action that are taking place now or what the conversation takes place. Apart from that, this tense can also be used for forms of action that last only for short periods of time. Why this action for last only for a short period? Because this is conversation about what you gonna do and what I'm gonna do. Okay? And we can also use this tense to talk about change or development that are taking place over a long period of time. Okay? Let's continue. Okay. I want to explain what is present continuous tense formula. Formula present continuous tense. Okay, let's move on. First of all, in formula continuous present continuous tense is positive sentence. Is ha- you have to have a subject plus to be plus verb one. This is for plus verb plus in strip in in and plus object. What is subject? Subject is The subject is you, we, they. To be is have are, and verb is verb one plus in. And if first the first one is first person, and the in the middle is the second person, and the third person is she, he, it plus is plus verb one plus in. Example for this sentence is we use the second is example of this sentence. You are you are watching football match. Okay, let's continue. The second is negative sentence. First person is subject plus to be plus not plus verb plus in and plus object. In second person, you might if we gonna you we they plus is you we they plus are plus not plus verb one and plus in. In third person, we use she, he, it plus is plus not plus verb one plus in. Example of this sentence is you are not visiting football match. Yeah, that's it. Let's continue. Nah, this is a question sentence. Question sentence is we to asking a question about something what we gonna do. This question sentence use in first person to be plus subject to be in first in subject and plus verb plus in plus object. In secondary, we use are plus you we they plus verb one plus in. Okay. And in third person, we use is plus she he it plus verb one plus in. Example: Are you watching a football match? Or are you what? Are you watching a movie? Uh, that's okay. Let's continue. Okay. This sentence can be used to time information that is usually used in the present continuous tense include. You can use first at the present, two at the moment, three now, four tonight, five tomorrow, and six right now. Okay, let's continue. Okay, in forming these stations, you must require to be formed in single I am in first person, you are in second person, and he, she, it in third person. Like I explained in first, if we use to be form and the plural is we are in first person, you are in second person, and they are in third person. In B, we use in third form. Example of example ne, example go plus in is going. Okay, let's continue. Okay, we I want to explain the secondary is present continuous tense function. Let's continue. Okay, first, Pres- function of present continuous is to talk about an action that is happening now. The example of the sentence is she is brushing the bathroom floor. Second, I am driving a car to Bandung. And third, he's learning English in order to be a great guy. Okay, let's continue again. Second, present continuous tense can be to discuss a plan or move to a place or condition. Okay, and the example of this sentence is one, the bus are arriving in a hour. Okay. Second, I'm moving to West Jakarta this month. And third, why is the wild dog always barking at me? Okay, that is function of sentence in second. And let's continue. And this just one example, but three at the third of present continuous tense can be used to express a need at an action that occur rapidly. Example, ne? I'm getting sick of you always asking the same question. Okay, let's continue again. Oh, we come to the third example of conversation text about present continuous tense material. Okay, let's continue. You can read by yourself. I want to make you read. You can use to for practice in the mirror. Okay, let's continue. I just want to talk. Okay. Okay. Conversation one. Hi. Hi. What are you doing? I'm planning. I in this set in this I want to make the name of the conversation to A and B. Hi A, hi B, what are you doing? I'm planning to travel next month. Wow, that's great. Where are you going? I and my friend are planning to go to many places in Indonesia. That will be an awesome trip. I'm planning to travel also next month. Where are you going? I'm not sure yet, but I'm thinking of going to Bali. Okay, that will be a great place to visit. I've been there before and it was an amazing experience. Yeah, heard so many good things about Bali. I'm really looking forward to it. Okay, let's continue the second conversation. Hi, what are you waiting for? I'm doing my school homework. What class are you in? I'm in the 10th grade. What subject are you doing homework for? I'm doing homework for English class. What are you writing about? I'm writing about my favorite book. That sounds a fun assignment. I'm doing homework for my history class. What are you writing about? I'm writing about the American Revolution. That sound really that sound like a really interesting topic. I like to learn more about that. Let's continue the third conversation. Okay, let's continue. The third conversation. Hi, hi A. How are you? Good. Wait. Why is the whatever? Okay. Good. You look so busy. What are you working on? I'm writing an endless introduction dialogue. Mr. Smith asked us to do it for homework. That sounds like a lot of fun. It's not bad. I'm enjoying it actually. That's great. I'm sure you'll do a great job. Thanks. I hope so. Okay. Let's move to another scene. And thank you. Let's move to another scene. Okay. Hey everyone, that's my explain about my opinion in Indonesian versus Bahrain. And first, in Indonesian versus Bahrain, I just a little disappointed because why the reference in Oman do that to Indonesian? Why he want to win? And second, in my present continuous tense, in is the I what we gonna plan and what we gonna do, what I have to do with the present continuous tense. Okay, and thank you for hearing and watching my video. And if you like the video, you can press like and subscribe in my channel. Okay, see you next year and see you see you guys, not next year, yeah, maybe I have working. Okay, see you and see you Nara. Goodbye everyone.